Sea Turtles, a project done by Mira and Maciel. Out of the 5 the U.S. has in their waters, 4 of them are endangered. The most common species, the loggerhead, is still threatened. Currently, 207 species exist around the world. 62% of them, or 129 of the species, are endangered. The most endangered, the Kemp Ridley, is thought to only have 1,000 individuals. Sea turtles face many dangers from the time they hatch to the day they die. Most turtle-related deaths are man-made. Lights coming from the shore confuses turtle hatchlings. It turns them around so they head inland instead of to the ocean. Pollution. Oil spills have a massive impact on turtles. The Mexico oil spill alone killed thousands. Abandoned furniture, vehicles on the sand, and animals who like to burrow around all destroy turtle nesting habitats. This is a massive problem because turtle eggs provide food for other animals too.
They affect the actual landscape of the ocean. They actually eat large numbers of jellyfish, which is good for the environment because it keeps those numbers in check. Sea turtles do an important job of keeping the sea turtle grass beds healthy. Seagrass is a very important nursery essentially for lots of different species of fish, so it's important to keep those areas quite healthy. Reduce the amount of plastic you use, avoid helium balloons, limit your use of chemicals that might go into the water. If you live near the water, be sure that during turtle season you don't use your outdoor lights on the water, and be sure to pick up all beach furniture so that those turtles, if they come onto the beach, they can safely lay their eggs. Other ways you can help sea turtles is by volunteering for sea turtle groups, donating your time and energy to one of the many sea turtle conservation groups is a great way to help. Not mess with it at all. It's actually a federal offense to touch sea turtle eggs or sea turtles without a federal permit. So there are some groups that have permits so that they can be sure to get the proper training and things like that if they have to deal with sea turtles and sea turtle eggs. But as a layman, you shouldn't touch them at all. If you're worried about a nest, maybe it's in a vulnerable area or something, then you should call the authorities and they would know who to contact in your area. Lots of community outreach, lots of trying to let people know that these plastic bags and balloons and things like that are very harmful. Letting people know why they're asked to not have their lights on the beach during turtle season, why it's important to remove if sea turtle nests are found on really busy beaches. Sometimes those nests are relocated by conservation groups. If calls are put in about injured sea turtles, they do rescues for injured sea turtles and rehabilitation.